5 puntos ang kabante ng Alaska. Inside pass. De La Cruz, apply ang tira. A tough shot as we enter the last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Hope Luxury Cigarette, the largest selling luxury cigarette.
You see Johnny here really taking control of the game, directing traffic.
Lastimosa. Cross-court pass. Abarientos takes the jump shot.
Oh,
Yes!
Good ball rotation off the double.
This is still far from over. A minute and 42, 7-point lead para sa Alaska, but they're certainly looking good at this stage. Rosella naipit. De La Cruz, binigay kay Alan Kaidik. Kaidik has the open lay. He goes up and he gets that basket. Lead is down somewhat to 5. A minute and a half remaining.
Looking for a defensive stop. It's
Abarientos.
a 5-point lead.
Si Wino hindi titira yan.
And they're milking the clock, which is the right thing to do. San Miguel Beer not forcing the issue. Neither team in the penalty. They're not giving up the foul.
Yan po ang ating shot clock. 3
And
seconds.
it's out of
Nabitawan.
bounds.
Nabitawan ang bola ni Kenneth Torremdes. And now,
Turnover.
another opportunity here. What a ball game here. San Miguel has another crack at this lead.
5-point lead enjoyed by Alaska, but it's San Miguel Beer possession.
Hindi pa oras para sa 3-point shot, Kinito, obviously.
Not yet. But I think they smell the sense of urgency. They'll need points in a hurry.
That's true. Asay Tono. Oh, that's a bad.
Big defensive move here by Bong Hawkins. And
What?
it looks like San Miguel Beer will need to foul to stop the clock from running. They're not fouling. Less than a minute to go.
They're not in the penalty, Kinito.
I know that they need to get into the penalty. And they're not fouling.
Lastimosa gets inside. Pasa niya kay Barrientos. 3 seconds to shoot. Tumira sila. Oh! What a shot!
And the game, I think, is now put on ice.
Kinito para sa Alaska Milk, a
San Miguel
7-point lead.
Beer is looking for a 3-point shot at this stage now. They've got Bustre, Asaytono, and Kaidik now all together. And another missed 3-point shot by Nelson Asaytono. He's only got one the entire game.
And that may be truly indicative of what has happened here, Noy. They rode the back of the ball. He did not deliver today. And Alaska, on the other hand, rode the little shoulders, the small shoulders of Johnny Abarientos.
Yeah, you know, Nelson just never could get it going. The past 2 games, he just had a lid over the rim and nothing would drop for him.
Well, now San Miguel Beer giving up the fouls to put San Miguel in the penalty. Well, now that was just the 15th foul. Let me ask you a quick question, Noy. Here in the 4th period, Johnny Abarientos has exploded with 12 of his 24 points. How would you have guarded Johnny Abarientos if you were on the court?
You know, I don't know really if there's anything you can do. You know, he's such a great player. When he gets hot like that, maybe the only thing you can do is pray that he misses.
Well, Kinito, kinamayanan ni Alan Kaidik ang mga players ng Alaska conceding this game with only 23 seconds remaining, and I think that's a wise move. Parang ano yan eh, magkatalo-talo na talaga. And right now, Alaska is in complete control, and they're only 23.6 seconds away from their 12th title. Or rather, 8th title.
This is the 8th title for
6th
Alaska.
in the last 8 finals.
That's right. And they have made it actually to 11 of the last 12 finals here in the PBA. And what a dynasty Coach Kim Cone has established here for Alaska.
At kagaya na nabanggit mo sa column mo today, this is a very young team. A lot of years still to play. Lastimosa, the oldest, only at 34.
And he's getting better as he grows older.
Talaga. And they continue to add on.
You know, one thing about San Miguel Beer, nothing to be ashamed of. Who would have thought that San Miguel Beer would have even reached a Game 7 in the finals?
But again, you have to, I guess, feel the pain of San Miguel. Deja vu from 1995. They were up 3-2 in that series, and they lose the championship in 7 games as Alaska comes down to the final second. And Alaska is the team of the 90s as they win their 8th title and the 1998 McDonald's PBA All-Filipino title. Nelson Asaytona there. And they continue to party here, Kinito, and they truly deserve this title.
Oh, I think so. They play their heart out. And of course, Johnny Abarientos delivering the goods. He was supposed to do that. Nelson Azardono was supposed to do that for San Miguel Beer, but it was Abarrientos who got the job done.
Pochuino, a big player today, Noy, together with, of course, Bong Hawkins. Huino scored a total of 17 points today. And Tim Cone, the Centennial Dream Team coach, truly proving why he is one of the best, if not the best here in the PBA. His 8th title, only one short of becoming only the 2nd winningest coach in PBA history.
Noy, if you were to put your finger on one factor that brought Alaska to this championship, what would that factor be?
You know, I think it's just their experience. You know, they were with their back against the walls 2 games in a row. They had to win both games. You know, they never panicked. They've been in this